So someone banged into the back of a car. I'll try a different way to push it out. Stuff this up under the underneath, and then pump it up. See what happens. I got to put this on first, couldn't I? Anyway. I've got the heat gun to try and put a bit of heat into it. See it coming out here. Tube's coming out down here, so unfortunately I can't get to the valve anymore. Didn't think about that very much, did I? I can sort of feel it. I'm trying to put it more up in there. Let's pop this bit out. I'll try and get that bit there. Yeah, it's stuffed up there as best as I can get it. I'm going to pump it up, see what happens. So it's starting to push it out at the bottom. It has worked a bit. It's pushed it out a fair bit. Just this bit here's a bit hard. So I'll try and get the air out again and see what to do next. So just after I stopped filming, it let loose. So that's the end of that experiment. It sort of worked. This thing's hooked around this. So it looks a lot better than it did, at least. So it sort of worked. The tube sort of worked. If I did it again, I'd probably use a basketball or something. I don't know. I had a tube, so anyway, we'll see if the back opens now. Well, at least it's a bit straighter than it was, and we can open the tailgate now. So overall it'll do until we get it fixed properly.